Manny presents What's Happening with the CareCredit mobile app. Starring Manny the Frenchie. With special guests, the CareCredit mobile app. What's Happening is filmed before a live studio audience. Not really. In this episode, Manny shows us how to find a provider in the CareCredit network and pay with your digital card. Let's check out the Locations tool. From the home screen, tap Locations. Here, you can search providers that accept the CareCredit credit card. Let's search by location. To begin, type in your city, state, or zip code. Now let's tap Search. Say you're searching for a dentist. You'll tap your selection, then hit Select. Next, you'll see a list of providers near you. Let's check out the map view. Tap your preferred location and save your favorites for later. Did you know you can pay that provider directly through the app? Let's go back to the home screen. Here, boy. Tap Payments. Then tap the Pay My Healthcare Bill box to make a payment to your provider. When you're ready, tap the Let's Get Started button. Great. Let's move on to the digital card. Tap the top left corner to return to the account summary screen. Then tap the down arrow at the top to reveal your digital card. Voila! To pay for services, just show your phone to your provider at checkout. Well, that's it for this week's episode. Join Manny again next week on What's Happening. Manny will show us how to manage our credit card account to make life a little easier. Until then, hey, Manny, where's my phone?